Dhyan has a few meanings, all centered around the idea of focusing your mind inward. Here are the main ones. Meditation. This is the most common meaning of dhyan. It refers to the practice of quieting the mind and focusing your attention on a single point, such as your breath, a mantra, or an object. Meditation is a core practice in Hinduism, yoga, and Buddhism, and is used to achieve a state of inner peace and clarity. Contemplation. Dhyan can also refer to deep thinking or reflection. This could involve pondering a philosophical question, examining your own thoughts and feelings, or simply appreciating the beauty of the present moment. Attention. In some contexts, dhyan can simply mean attention or focus. For example, you might say, pay dhyan to the teacher, to remind someone to listen carefully. Dhyan can also be used as a name, particularly in India. It means one who meditates or peaceful.
ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগলে লাইক কমেন্ট ও শেয়ার করুন আর নিয়মিত আপডেট পেতে চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন এবং বেল আইকনে গিয়ে ক্লিক করুন।